What's going on, guys? You guys able to hear me? Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. All right, guys. I'm mostly watching Tesla. Kind of far from the level that I was interested in. I was hoping we could get a retest here of 401.74 and spike lower. We would target 388.21. That's what I was hoping we would target. Man, it's mainly my main watch. Also watching AMD. Let's see what we get though. See what we get here. You gotta be careful with Tesla though, because Tesla does whatever it wants, man. Let's see what we get from the market. If the market tanks right away or if it holds, we shall see. Also keep an eye on Apple again. See what Apple does. Are you guys able to hear me? Yes, no, maybe so.
Order filled.
I'm giving Tesla a try here. I took the 390 puts. That's Tesla for you. Tesla's very undecided right now. 10% on Tesla. If it gets back above the open, I'm just gonna cut. Beautiful, 17%. I'm going to trim some here.
Order filled.
20% on Tesla. 30%. 32%. I'm going to trim some more here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Last one is I'm gonna raise it to break even.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take all my Tesla. Took all my Tesla gains there. Didn't like that big wig on Tesla. Took all my gains there in Tesla. Didn't like that big wick. It could continue to go lower, but didn't like that. Oh, missed out on AMD. Mm. AMD was another stock I was watching from the watch list. The breaking retest of 199.15. We never got that retest though. We never got the. I mean, we kind of did, but Netflix is showing strength. What else is showing strength? Pretty much only see Netflix showing strength. Yeah, I didn't want to get back those gains on Tesla. We were up to about 34%, 35%. Didn't want to get back. I mean, we did get back on. I sold the rest, but it's not bad, not bad, not a bad trade. Nice little 33%. But luckily I cut because that didn't like how it was acting. Didn't like that wick. The sellers were looking weak. Once I saw that big wick here at the pre-market low break, I had to get out. I think Costco is showing strength. Let's look at Costco. Again, but if Tesla was going to reject again, it would be here at the yesterday's low of day right here. If Tesla was to reject, it would be here. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if it rejects here and then rejects and then it gets back below the opening. We could look to get in again. Let's see. Surprise, Apple's not showing strength today. Looking at AMD, but AMD already did the move that I wanted, guys. So I was looking for that the rejection of this 199.15 and then the target was 196.13. Pretty much already hit target. This would have been a beautiful It's a beautiful rejection here at the opening. Any of you guys take Tesla with me? I'm gonna learn AMD if you want to take it. I'm gonna stay away. I'm looking at the I am looking at the what is it, the 195 put. I'm personally gonna stay away. Let's see. I'm gonna wait a little longer, see how it reacts here to yesterday's low here, which is this red line here. Is yesterday's low. But if it does get back above 202.26 and it holds, then we could potentially look for calls. Very tricky. We could potentially look for calls. We got to keep an eye on the SMH. You guys can see here, SMH has a level here at 383.48. I think this is yesterday's close right here. Yeah, this is yesterday's close here. I like to make it a little bigger, make it like this. Yeah, that's yesterday's close. All right, so the AMD puts are no good. We need SMH to reject here. So now the AMD puts are no good. We need SMH to reject. Man, Netflix is strong. The only thing is that daily chart is horrendous. It's the only thing that keeps me from taking Netflix calls. Look at this daily chart. You guys see this daily chart? Ugly, ugly looking daily chart. It's a real ugly daily chart. And my Thinkorswim is lagging again, like usual. Man, what is going on? Are you guys able to hear me, guys? Who's calling me? Smart. Are you guys able to hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Yes, no, maybe so. All right, perfect. You guys are able. What did I just do? It's not what I meant to do. Ay, ay. Sorry, guys. My Thinkorswim is lagging yet again. I need to do something about that, man. Tried multiple things. I don't know why it's lagging, but it's the only application that lags. Everything else working fine. My Thinkorswim is working. I mean, my interactive brokers, Discord, everything else is working fine. I have no idea why it acts like that. Hmm. Doesn't look like a bad Bad entry. Let me see. I'm gonna say prepare. I'm personally not gonna take it. I don't like the daily chart. Prepare Netflix 85 call. Very cheap. Personally not gonna take it. I'm gonna say get in. Should have got filled at around 34 cents, 33 cents, something like that. Stop loss is gonna be 82.5. Again, I'm not taking Netflix. It looks good. It's showing relative strength today, but I'm not gonna take it just because the daily chart. Daily chart looks horrendous, but it is showing relative strength. The market does decide to bounce. And Netflix is gonna print, but again, that daily chart looks horrendous. Yeah. Nvidia's at an interesting spot right here. It's at a nice little support zone right here. Another one is looking decent is Meta, but again, that daily chart on Meta, it's not very appealing. Nice bounce here on Google. It's in post earnings. Did you take those Tesla puts, Jamie? Yo, I took a big loss on Monday because you guys know about the new contracts now, right? You guys know about the new contracts now that now some contracts expire Monday and Wednesday. Instead of selecting Friday's expiration, I freaking selected Monday expiration. And instead of taking a 10% loss, I took a 35% loss. I was confused. I was like, yo, how did I take such a big loss? And it was cause I didn't realize the those damn same day contracts had taken those damn same day contracts, man. It messed me up pretty bad. I didn't know those things went in effect. I knew they were gonna come in effect. I just didn't know when. But yeah, it was happened to me for not paying attention. Took a 35% loss instead of a 10% loss. And I was puzzled. I was like, what the heck just happened? You want a re-entry on Tesla puts? No, Jamie. I mean, you can if you want, but for me to personally get back in, it needs to break back below the opening print. It is rejecting yesterday's lows, which is good. If my thinkorswim would be low, which never does. It is rejecting here yesterday's lows, here, this red line. But for me to get back in, it needs to break back below the opening. But if you want to get in, you can just use this zone here as your stop loss. You have like a higher day be a stop loss or 401.74. But I will personally wait for the break back below the opening print to get in. I'm surprised you didn't get in Tesla, man. I got in and I was automatically down like 10, 15%. It gave a good entry. Yeah, I got in and then it proceeded to go up. I was down about 15%. Then it finally went back down. Mi corazón puede sentir tu presencia. Well, yeah, like I said, you can take Tesla if you want. Just use the stop loss higher day, but to be safer, wait for the break back below the opening print, which is 397. What the heck? I don't know how to type Netflix. What's going on? There you go. Hold Netflix. Hold Netflix. Wait for a 2-minute close under 82.5. Want to get a Netflix here, Jamie? It's not bad at 85 call at 25 cents. It's trying to hold here. Netflix is still looking good. It's still stepping up at that 82.5. Again, I don't trust the daily, but it looks strong. Nice little bull flag here at the level. For me to get into trades, everything needs to align. Tú estás aquí, tú estás aquí, puedo sentir tu gran amor. Nice little move on Tesla. I mean, on Netflix here. Did you? Hopefully, you took it there. Netflix had when it was at 23. You're in what? You in Netflix? What you took, Jamie? You took Netflix when I told you to take it. It was like 23 cents. What price you got, Phil? Oh, oh, okay. What price did you get? Did you get in? 25, sir. Next time when you're driving, don't trade, man. I would have at least waited for the break a higher day, Jamie, to get out, but whatever. Quick scalp. There you go. In a higher day break, that's where I would have trimmed some right now. Right now at around 35 cents. Not bad though. From 35, that's a nice 40% gain right there. From 35, from 25 to 35, nice little 40% gain. But yeah, man, have some discipline, bro. Next time you driving, just stay away. It ain't worth it. Mi corazón puede sentir tu presencia. Tú estás aquí. Oh yeah, Tesla's back below the opening. I'm gonna learn some Tesla 385 puts. I'm gonna stay away though. Nice move on Netflix. Nice little move on Netflix. Wow. I'm gonna say raise stop loss to break even. This is where you would get in here on Tesla here, right? Back below the opening. If it decides to flush, it would be here. Lets you know that the bears are trying to take control. You can look to trim at the lower day break. Oh, Microsoft. Hmm. Microsoft has room down to 397.2. Close to 20% on those Netflix Tesla puts. You got QQQ and SPY both rejecting the opening print. Let's see. Yep, they're both rejecting it. Tú estás aquí. Tú estás aquí. Very tempted to take some Microsoft puts here. Hmm. I want to say trim some Tesla here. 20% on Tesla. Trim and raise stop loss. Next target will be that lower day break, and then it has room down to 388.21. More Tesla, give us that lower day break. There goes that break, guys. Trend 3.6. Trend. Beautiful move on Tesla. Beautiful, beautiful move on Tesla. A beautiful move on Tesla. Next target is 388.21. Te puedo sentir, sé que estás aquí. I missed a really good move on Netflix. Any of you guys took Tesla? What a beautiful move on Tesla. Beautiful, beautiful move. Te puedo sentir. It's close to about 75%. Y te puedo sentir, sé que estás aquí. Mi corazón, puedes sentir tu presencia. Tesla's about $2 away from Target, so It's about $2 away from target. Those contracts, I think they should be able to hit 100% if it goes and it hits intended target. ES and the Nasdaq are currently at support. Well, coming up on support. The Nasdaq is breaking that level, 247.15. ES is coming up on that level as 6820.75. All right, guys. I'm waiting to see what Tesla gonna do. I'm pretty much done trading for the day. Missed out on about 80% gain there on the Tesla re-entry. Should have took it, but Tesla's so tricky. All right, the Nasdaq has room down to 24495.5. On the QQQ was going to be 594.46. About $1 away, Tesla. Freaking contracts went to 495, just about 100%. There you go. There goes the target, guys. Beautiful. Told you guys, target hit. I would trim most gains here. Beautiful gains. Just about 100%. All right, guys, I'm pretty much done. Hopefully, some of you guys took the re-entry on Tesla. And I'm done, guys. Take care, man.